Almost forgot. I told you I would do a tour of the room. And I almost
We'll take the
forgot.
next one.
Huh?
We'll take the next one.
Okay. Oh, let me show you here. I love this. I know once they show up. They have a waterfall that flows down the window. I'm sorry, I forgot I said I would show the room. So these are the elevators. Oh, you're fine. So we're in the Excel Club. Ooh. So you have to use this in order to get to the 50.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We're good.
To use this in order to get to the 50.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We're good.
Okay.
Yeah, we did. We're here till like next Friday.
Just tell him that you want the bracelet and room here. Then you can put that card in your drawer. After you go outside just like this when you come up in the room, especially when you're drunk.
He talks. My husband is a talker. So this is the front door. And you come in and there's your bathroom. You have your vanity here with a chair. Very big shower. Very large shower. Now what I love is everything is electrical. So you see this, they come down and do nighttime turn down service. During the day, see that comes up. And then you can have your shower open in the middle of the room if that's what you prefer. But see, that's going up. Is electrical, is controlled by the panel on the side of the wall. And everything is controlled here. I'm sorry, babe. We're coming out to grab the stuff. You have a full-length mirror here. And this can close, and it looks like a wall, but you can open it. And you have your closet, also 3 drawers here. Extra pillows up there is also an extra blanket. But my husband keeps it cold, so my blanket is already on the bed. So once you come in, this is the room. Which also, these lights that's in the back is also controlled by this tablet. And you can change these lights all different colors, red, purple, whatever you like. And we're here for a birthday, so they always put your wine. Also, for my birthday, they give you a happy birthday cake. And every night, this is waiting for you as part of your turn down service. But this is my favorite spot. which is your balcony. And on one side, it has a lounge chair. Nice size lounge chair. On the other side, you have a jacuzzi on the tub, which is a very large jacuzzi. 2 people can fit in there with no problems. And that is on your terrace. But this is what I'm here for. This is my room's view. So, you have the mountains, which at night it is beautiful because all the houses in the hills light up. So it looks really nice. And then you also have an ocean view. So you have the ocean. And then this was the front where I just showed you where we were. Thank you, thank you. This is Breathless, Montego Bay, Jamaica. And they also have swim-out suites. So, I didn't say what I was gonna do and show the room. It has just slipped my mind that quick. But that's your room. It's beautiful. And you have a couch here on this side, also inside the room. And you have the 2 stands here where you can eat as well. And they have a refrigerator. Which is fully stocked. So they keep the refrigerator fully stocked. You get snacks, M&Ms, coffee make in the room. So all your standard amenities. But I love the shower, very big, and it has a rain shower head, as well as a handheld. So, as I said, it's very big. But it sits in the middle of the floor. So as I said, I will be back, and I'll take you on the other side, to the St. James side, because we have dinner tonight there at Hibachi's. And this way you'll get to see that as well. But as I said, I love it. I love it. So I'll see y'all then.